Manufacturing businesses face unique security challenges. At Equilibrium Risk, we don't just understand them, we specialise in solving them. Based in Yorkshire, we deliver cyber physical security solutions tailored to the manufacturing sector. Here's what sets us apart. Our business model is built around proactive security management. Through our quarterly Security in Focus meetings, we deliver training, insights, and evidence-based reviews. This isn't just about security, it's strategic resilience. Manufacturing environments are complex. We understand the risks, from supply chain vulnerabilities to protecting high-value assets. Our assessments are tailored to your workflows and aligned to your business objectives. Rooted in Yorkshire, we bring local insight with national reach. We understand the regulatory landscape and the pressures manufacturers are facing in the north of England, and we respond fast. Why do manufacturers choose Equilibrium Risk? Because we deliver measurable value. From cost-effective service consolidation to transparent reporting, we help you make more informed decisions and take ownership of your security.